So I feel like everyone knows what this video is about, and that is, yes indeed, a Cupshe unboxing haul and try on. So I have this parcel right here and I think we should just crack on with the video and open it up. So let's do it. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by my little friend right here, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Cupshe parcel. I genuinely can't remember what I ordered, so I'm actually quite excited. I wanted to give them a big shout out, like thank you guys for working with me. I'm literally having a blast. I filmed 2 more videos with Cupshe, which I'll link in the eye as well as in the post down below if you guys want to check that out. But if you missed my first 2 videos, Cupshe is basically an online brand and they're quite known for their swimsuit, but they also sell super cute dresses and accessories, and so yeah, I'm quite excited to share with you guys everything that I got this time around. Tell you what, this was actually easier than I thought. Oh my god. There's so many things. Guys, I generally can't remember what I ordered. Like, I have no idea, so I'm quite excited. What is this? I generally can't remember any of them. So alrighty, there's so many things. Wow. Usually I get some swimsuit, whereas this time around I decided to get some dresses instead, because quite a few things have changed in the last couple of weeks and I'm not 100% sure I will be going to Santorini at this point. I'm definitely not going with my boyfriend anymore because we split up. So yeah, I got some dresses instead because, you know, you can wear dresses anywhere in the world. Whereas when it comes to swimsuit, there's definitely not a lot of places that I can wear them in London. But anyway, let's just dive into what I got, shall we? So first thing first, I got this little set. So I'm gonna take both the items out of the packaging first and then kind of talk about them, I guess. So as always, I'm going to try everything on and tell you guys what I think about it when I tried it on, so like what my final thoughts are. But just holding it, this looks really cute. So I got some pair of shorts and kind of like this orangey color. They're really like spring, that's for sure. I kind of want a set just to like lounge around the house. And then this one right here is the top. So I think like the booby situation is a bit like risky. It is very like floaty, as you can probably tell, but it might be cute. I really like the material, so yeah, I can't wait to try this one on. Okay, so starting off with a bang, I am actually super obsessed with this. Like I mentioned, the material is really nice, like it's super high quality, and I'm not mad about the color either. I think it's very like summery, which I don't mind. Kind of like the pattern as well, and the set itself is actually gorgeous. The only thing I'm concerned is the boobies, because it looks cool but I can't really like move. I feel like if I move too much it's just gonna like, you know, fall and be a bit of a exposing situation, which we don't want to. So I might wear this with like a white bralette just to be safe. I think the shorts fit really nicely. The top part on the other end is a bit oversized. I think it has like this kimono sort of effect. You can tell I'm sending it all the way back just to make sure my boobs are covered. So yeah, that might be something to think about. Alrighty, now let's move on to the next item. I am not too sure about this one. Like, I don't really remember it. Actually, oh, okay, I do think I remember it. So I got this little dress that I thought was super cute. Not gonna lie, I kind of thought it was like different. I don't know exactly how to like describe it. I still think it's cute. I'll definitely need to try this on and see how it looks like, but I think it might have potential. Okay, I love this dress. I think it looks really lovely. It's very me, that's for sure. The color and the print and everything else is very me. I feel like it's also very summery, and so Yeah, I'm actually quite obsessed. I feel like I can take quite a few pictures with it. It's a bit big around my waist, but with the dress being this floaty, like you can't really tell, so it's fine. Okay, this is definitely an interesting print. I remember getting a maxi sort of dress to wear at work, and I think this might be it. Okay, yes. Yeah, that's definitely it. So it's out the shoulder, and then it's shorter in the front, longer in the back, and it has this little buttons going up and down. I'm probably not the biggest fan of this print, but maybe once I try it on it will look different. So like I mentioned, I picked this one up so that I could wear it to work, but I'm not 100% sure about it, to be honest. I think it's a cute dress. It's probably not my cup of tea. Like the material and everything else is quite nice. I can't really like see myself with it. Also, the out shoulder situation is probably not ideal at my workplace. Like, it's not that I can't wear it, it's very like I'm practical because I'll be moving my arms a lot, and I feel like this will need a lot of maintenance. Also, I don't know why I keep making the same mistakes, and I'm not 100% sure they had a smaller size of these, but again, I wished I got the extra small instead of the small, because I think the tail is a bit long and I'm definitely gonna like sweep the floor with it, which is probably not ideal. But yeah, overall, is it a cute dress? Yes. Is it my cup of tea? Probably not. Oh, maybe with a little belt it could do the trick. I feel like when I placed this order I was in a green phase, because this next item is also green, and I'm wearing green right now, so like what the frick is going on? Oh, I really love this material. I think this is adorable. Look at this little dress. I am going in Naples. Probably by the time you guys see this video I'm already there, because I'm not sure when this is going live. Either way, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram at Vaniglia_official for all the, you know, live updates and whatnot. But definitely bringing some of this dress with me during the trip, because I think they're adorable. Like, I really hope this one fits well, because the material is like a dream. It's super light. It's probably gonna be perfect because like Naples is gonna be like 30+ degrees, and so yeah, I'm actually quite excited. And it also comes with this little string to like tie it, so yeah. Okay, coming through with the green. I'm really obsessed with this one. I was a bit worried about the boob situation, but honestly they're fine. And like I mentioned, I quite like this material. I think this dress itself is so gorgeous, and I'm probably gonna bring it to Naples and Sicily, so yeah, I'm quite happy. Okay, we're getting close to the end. I think I remember which one this is. Alrighty. Oh, so this is a little midi dress. I think it's adorable. Like this with my Converse and a little leather jacket. I think it's super cute. Oh my god, this might be my favorite one. Okay, so this is how the dress looks like on. I got it in a small, but I feel like I should have gotten it in an extra small. There's actually an invisible zip going on right here, and so I feel like I definitely could have sized it down just the tiniest bit. But overall, I think it's a really cute dress. I don't know if the fabric is getting picked up on camera, but it's quite shimmery, which I think it's what makes it like a bit more funky. So yeah, I actually quite enjoyed this one. Okay, moving on, I have the last two, and I generally don't recall picking this one up, so I think they sent it to me. I've also counted everything that I got, and usually I get sent 7 items, whereas now I got sent 8. So yeah, pretty sure this one wasn't my pick, so I'm gonna leave it here. It's gonna be the last one we unbox. But I'm quite excited to open this one up. I pretty much got a swimsuit. This was also the only swimsuit I got in this haul, although I'm pretty sure the other one they sent me is also a swimsuit. But this is how it looks like. It's so out of my comfort zone just because it's like orangey, but I thought it looked super cute. So this is the top. You got little triangles. Not gonna lie, I thought it was patterned, but it's not. So we'll have to see how the boobie look in it. But then the bottom bit is a bit high-waisted, and it also has strings to tie it up. This is probably my favorite type of bottoms, so yeah, quite excited for that. Okay, wait a minute, stop everything. I'm actually obsessed with this. It's not padded like I said, and I thought it would upset me, but what the heck, I think it looks so cute. Also the color, I'm living for it, and I've always hated oranges and yellows and like, you know, those like super warm yellowy colors, but this one is super cute. It's probably one of my favorite bathing suits ever, and if that doesn't say something, I don't know what else will. And now let's see what they sent me. Like, what the hell is this? Okay, so I was indeed right, it's another swimsuit, and I'm quite obsessed with this color. Like, what the heck? Shape-wise is quite similar to the previous one, but it's in this beautiful aquamarine color. I think it's adorable, and then that is the bottom. So I think what we have to do now is try this on and see if it's as cute as it looks. Okay, so here's the last one. I'm probably not in the best shape to show you guys a swimsuit, let's be honest, but this is how the last one looks like. Shout out to Cupshe for sending me an extra one, although I didn't pick it up. I think it's super cute, but I might actually give it to one of my friends because I know this is her favorite color, and I generally think it would look super cute on her, so yeah. Okay, but for real, how cute was everything I got? Like, I am still obsessed. Everything will be listed in the description box, so make sure to go ahead and check that out if you like any of these bits. I also do have a discount code for you guys, which is Vaniglia15. I'll link that in the screen right now, as well as in the post down below, as always. I mean, if you want to go on a little shopping spree, can't blame me out, but I can help you save some money. Be sure to tell me in the comments below which item was your favorite. I was thinking about this, but I generally can't decide. Like, low-key, for one reason or another, I kind of like most of the things that I got. Like I mentioned, I filmed 2 more videos with Cupshe, so if you guys want to know a bit more about them, and be sure to go ahead and watch the other videos. I've mentioned this in the past, they are sending me this stuff for free, but like, this is my opinion. Like, everything I say in this video is 100% my opinion. If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you guys. If I say that I like something, it's because I genuinely mean it. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Like I said, tell me in the comments below which item was your favorite, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new cover every Tuesday, and the main channel sort of video every Friday. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Summer rain.